Hello students, today we are going ahead the poem The Ant and the Cricket. In the first part of the video, we have seen that the cricket became sad when he found nothing to eat. He decided to go to the ant's house. Let us see what happened. Says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend. But we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. He reached to the ant and asked for some grain and shelter. But the ant said that she was his friend and servant. But we ants did not borrow or lend something from anyone. But tell me, dear cricket, did you lay nothing by when the weather was warm for the cricket, not I? Then the ant further asked what the cricket did in summer and spring. Why, he had not saved anything for winter. The cricket said that he did nothing to save for winter. My heart was so light that I sang day and night, for all nature looked gay. Rather he sang day and night in happiness when the weather was warm, because he was a fun-loving creature. You sang, sir, you say, go then says the ant, and dance the winter away. Then the ant told him to go and dance winter away. Thus ending he hastily lifted the wicket and out of the turf turned the poor little cricket. Folks call this a fable, I'll warrant it true. Some crickets have 4 legs and some have 2. And closed the door for the cricket and asked him to leave. Then the poet commented that the poem is indeed a fable, as it had a moral behind it. Thus, the moral of the poem is to be prepared for the adverse times and always work hard instead of being negligent. Let us see what we have learned. Now, here are few questions for you. You have to complete this statement. The ant says to the cricket, your options are we ants never take, we ants never give, we ants always borrow, we ants always lend, we ants always take, we ants always give, we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. Correct answer is we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. Second question is what did the ant suggest to her listener? Options are to go and dance the winter away, to go and sing the winter away, he should work, he should lay by something. Correct answer is to go and dance the winter away. Third question is why was the cricket not having food to eat? Options are he was busy in merrymaking, he did not make provision for food for winter, he did not believe in storing food, or all of the above. Correct option is he was busy in merrymaking. Fourth question is what impressions do you get about the cricket? Options are he was far-sighted, he was laborious, he was active, or he was short-sighted. Answer is he was short-sighted. Now it's time to practice some questions. Here we begin with working with the story. Question number 1 is the ant tells the cricket dance winter away. Do you think what dance is appropriate here? If so, why? Now next question is how can you say that the ant and the cricket is not fable but true? That's it for today. See you in next video. I hope you have understood the moral behind the story.